Hi, in this short video we're going to show you how to publish your properties to Craigslist using our automated Craigslist posting tool, what we call the one-click posting tool. And it's about the easiest thing that you're going to be able to do because all you have to do is click a couple of links and then check your email, and that's about it. So in seconds you'll have your property up on Craigslist, super easy, super fast. So what you're going to do, by the way, we're the only automated, 100% automated Craigslist posting tool in the industry. There's a lot of the other companies that claim they have a Craigslist posting tool. What they have is a copy and paste tool. You still have to build your ad literally from scratch with these other companies. With ours, you don't have to do that. So how you do that is you're going to go to Manage Properties, choose the property from the drop-down list, click Submit, and then option 3 is your Craigslist posting. You're going to click Publish to Craigslist, and you will get a page that looks like this. So now if you want reminders, if you have not set your defaults up, your marketing defaults, and I'm going to show you that here in a second, you're going to set this reminder to yes if you want to get an email once every 3 days per the terms of service of Craigslist to remind you to repost so that your property stays on the top of the search results, not search results, but the property display area. What email address do you want us to send that reminder to? If you want to update the title, you can do so here. By default, it's going to be the property address. And then you put in the region. So choose the region that you want the property to be posted to. And then simply click on Post to Craigslist for sale or Post to Craigslist for rent. And that is all you have to do. It'll open up another pop-up window. If you want to read this, you can, but you do not need to do anything else other than to go check your email to confirm the posting has been done. That's it. That's all you have to do to post to Craigslist. And so if you want to check your marketing defaults and have this automatically set up for each new property that goes into your account, you'd go to Set Account Marketing Defaults, hover over Account on the menu bar, Set Account Marketing Defaults, and then you're going to come here. I'm only going to focus on the Craigslist portion. So right here, do you want to have the reminder emails turned on? If that's no, set that to yes. What is the email address you want them to go to? And what is the Craigslist region you want to have set up? And so if you set this up and then click on Submit, the Craigslist ad will automatically be started for you every time a new property is added. All you're going to need to do is check your email, and again, it's going to come directly from Craigslist, not from us. It'll come from Craigslist, and you are good to go. And so a little bit about Craigslist. So that's how to post. If you don't want to watch any more of this video, that was about 2 minutes or so. You can now, a little more than 2 minutes, you can now stay and watch as to why would you want to post to Craigslist. Well, first of all, because it's fast and easy, and in terms of marketing and exposure, more marketing is good marketing. The more people that can see the property, the more possibilities that can be generated, and in the world of the internet, that is going to be a valuable thing. So that's kind of the why, but a little more on the why. Craigslist, who is Craigslist? You know who Craigslist is. They've been around for a long, long time. They're one of the innovators in terms of creating an advertising space online. People still love it. It still ranks 157th in global rank, and in terms of US rank, it is still 39th. And just as a note, the most popular portion of Craigslist is the real estate section. And just so you can see that, similar sites by audience overlap, you'll see Zillow is here, Yelp, and Realtor.com. So two major real estate portals, and they have an overlap score of close to 30 and close to 20 in terms of a similar audience. What that means is people that go to Craigslist have a similar profile to people that go to Zillow and also to Realtor.com, and of course also Home Depot and Yelp as well. So that is a little tutorial on the Craigslist how to and why to. Any questions, reach out to us at ListingsMagic or support@listingsmagic.com. You can call us at 866-831-8639. Thanks for watching.